EMD! Train time viewers, train 2's coming. It's EMD. Finally an EMD later again. SD60, 66, 79. With SD70, yes! 2593 on 69.2 SD60-E. With a gondola train. Conrail. NS. Southern. Make that 3. That's some lover. Now we go to Stacks. Third time today. Finally. Southern. And there's the end of it. Whoa! That passed within 45 seconds with an SD60, an SD70 Mac, and then it had an SD60E. All EMD with a short manifest and Stacks. And then they go still rumbling. Great catch. That's 3 trains today. We may manage to get 4. So we'll see you guys a little bit later. Go NS.